Welcome to 74 Ferguson Street in Midland. Beautiful 1953 build home opposite the park. Drive-through access to the shed at the rear. And on this side you can see the air conditioning units. Let's have a look through. Stained glass and pressed tin. Timber floors painted throughout. Air conditioner just at the top there. Very high ceilings. That was bedroom 1 and open to the kitchen area. Bedroom number 2. So to the rear of the home, you've got a large laundry space, open plan. Bathroom, wall tiling here. A little storage spot also. And this will be the 3rd bedroom. It's views towards the backyard. Sorry, just trying to stop the glare. Okay. Back patio. Very large block indeed. That's the shed. Very nice backyard. We'll walk back through to the front. Really high ceilings here. And that's 74 Ferguson Street.